Hi everyone, welcome back. I had a go at trying to film myself stripping out the back of the van, but as you can see in this video, it didn't quite work. Yeah, I only used my phone, so I've got no stand for it, so I just skipped straight to stripping it out, and I took a few photos along the journey, which will be coming up soon. I was surprised at what was behind there. As you can see, it's rock wool and not very good. Stripped it off, cleaned it, got some van insulation. However, I need to get some sound deadening. So once that gets delivered, we can carry on and I'll update you even more on that. Until then, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you back at the channel soon. As you can see, I'm using the Dodo matte insulation. This seems to be the better option that everyone goes with, so I'm using that.